YouTube is a powerful tool when used to promote engagement and provide information about products and services. To ensure you have the best elements for use in your YouTube videos, we've put together a list of our top 10 best YouTube templates for Premiere Pro for 2019. Whether you're a YouTube pro or a complete novice, these templates will help you along as you create more and more content for your channel. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. YouTube Channel by Templates Bravo. The crumpled paper visual and sound effect provided by this template can be used in many scenarios. For example, promoting a book signing or even a product launch. It's versatile enough to be used within a corporate environment too. Maybe a systems tutorial or HR presentation. Number 9. YouTube Promo by Arcadix. As the name of this template suggests, it has an amazing promotional feel to it. Vloggers, small businesses, and fashion labels would benefit from incorporating this template into their content. It's slick, shiny, and made to wow. Number 8. YouTube Logo Reveal by Rechi7. Use this template to create the perfect intro or outro to your YouTube videos. It's simple but effective, with brightly colored animations that remind your viewers to like the video and subscribe to your channel. The best part? Your logo is front and center as the clip ends, leaving it fresh in your viewers' minds. Number 7. YouTube by Flickmotion. Our number 7 template on this list is a very cool way to end your YouTube broadcast. A short clip fades out into your channel handle. That's all there is to it. It's amazing how a succinct final outro can provide such a lasting effect on your viewers. Number 6. YouTube Promo by AFI-Motion FX. This high-energy video promo is the perfect way to showcase a dance or sports channel. It's easily customizable with 8 media placeholders and 17 text placeholders throughout. Highlight your most engaging video snippets, showing each of them just long enough to grab your viewers' attention, leaving them wanting more. Number 5. YouTube Promo by Kalinichev. Bright and full of flair, this template for YouTube has like symbols scattered throughout to make sure your viewers are reminded of the importance of their engagement with your content. Videographers are able to highlight their best work without the elements of the template taking away from their original content. Number 4. Instagram Stories for YouTubers by Kalinichev. As an influencer, it's super important to have an abundance of content to share across all social platforms and channels. Sharing your YouTube content to your Instagram story is a surefire way to get more views on your videos. This template allows you to promote a snippet of your YouTube content with your Instagram story in a beautifully designed way. It's perfect for gaining followers and keeping fans up to date as your new vlogs are posted. Number 3. YouTube Intro Video by Templates Bravo. YouTube templates need to be versatile and changeable to allow different types of users to benefit. Our number 3 template on this list provides a range of options. For instance, with just 2 clicks, you can edit the color settings to bring them closer to your individual branding. It's simple to use and provides outstanding results. Number 2. YouTube End Screens by Templates Bravo. With the 5 Premiere Pro templates included in this pack, it's a simple task to add professional and engaging design to your YouTube end card outro. Promote your social media details and get your viewers to keep watching with an up-next thumbnail while modern, ever-changing shapes and symbols provide a surreal animated backdrop. Number 1. YouTube Subscribe by Templates Bravo. This YouTube template pack is an all-encompassing bundle that provides you with access to 8 templates, 5 YouTube end cards, easy color change options, and sounds to match the animated icons and shapes included. This is the perfect tool for businesses and individuals to use as they enter the YouTube scene in order to cement their branding in a powerful way. If you're involved in creating YouTube content or run your own channel, please like this video and let us know in the comments which of these Envato Elements templates you'd use to promote and empower your content. We're constantly uploading useful videos for users of Premiere Pro, After Effects, and many other programs, so be sure to follow our channel and share it with your friends. You'll find a link to every template used here in the description below. But before you go on to create YouTube magic, make sure you watch the next video we've suggested for you by clicking the thumbnail on screen now.